The great financial trap of the modern age is the revolving credit account, what the bankers of the 1920s called the debt treadmill. When you carry a balance on the credit card charging 18 to 24% annual interest, the bank is extracting a silent toll from your paycheck every single month. The first step to escaping this trap is the debt avalanche method. List every credit card by interest rate from highest to lowest. Direct every spare dollar above the minimum payments towards the highest rate card first. Once that card reaches zero, roll its payment into attacking the next highest rate. This mathematically eliminates the most expensive debt first. The alternative is the debt snowball, paying the smallest balance first for psychological momentum. Both methods work. The critical requirement is stopping new charges on these accounts immediately. Freeze the cards, store them away, and use only cash or a debit card for monthly expenses. Calculate your total minimum payments today and subtract them from your income. That is your true disposable income. It is